Hello friends! Although John Dalton was a school teacher, a meteorologist and an expert on color blindness, he is best known for his pioneering theory of atomism. Let us watch this video to explore it in detail. On the basis of his study, Dalton proposed that 1. All matter is made up of very tiny particles which cannot be broken down further. He called these tiny particles atoms. Tomio in Greek means divisible. Atom, therefore, means non-divisible. 2. An element is a substance that has only one kind of atom. This means all atoms of an element are identical. 3. Atoms of elements combine in many different ways to create the variety and complexity that we see around us. Thus, according to Dalton, hydrogen gas is composed of atoms of hydrogen, while oxygen gas is composed of atoms of oxygen. 2 atoms of hydrogen combine with 1 atom of oxygen to produce water. Therefore, it is not surprising that the weights of hydrogen and oxygen will always be in their respective proportion in water, irrespective of its source. On the other hand, when 2 atoms of hydrogen combine with 2 atoms of oxygen to form hydrogen peroxide, the proportion of oxygen atoms combining with hydrogen atoms to form hydrogen peroxide will be double as compared to water. Elements are substances made of only one kind of atom. For example, hydrogen, oxygen, silver, copper are elements. Substances made up of more than one kind of atom combined together in fixed proportions are called compounds. Water is made up of hydrogen and oxygen. Carbon dioxide is made of carbon and oxygen. Sugar is made of carbon, oxygen and hydrogen, and common salt is made up of sodium and chlorine. Thus, water, carbon dioxide, sugar and salt are compounds. Most of the substances we come across in nature are mixtures of elements and compounds in various proportions. For example, air is a mixture of elements such as oxygen, nitrogen, argon, and compounds such as carbon dioxide and water. In the air, oxygen is present in the form of molecules. Similarly, several other elements do not exist as free atoms, but they exist in their molecular forms. Dalton's postulates. 1. All matter is made up of very tiny particles called atoms. 2. All atoms of an element are identical. 3. Atoms combine in fixed ratios to make compounds. Elements are made up of the same kind of atoms. Compounds are made up of different kinds of atoms chemically combined in a fixed ratio. Mixtures are when 2 or more substances are present together in various proportions.